Is this a cap? Or am I gonna have to get slapped? Alright, so we have our iPhone 15 box right here. And if you think this is a cap, leave your comments right now. No cheating. I'll find out. So go ahead, submit them right here. Leave a comment. If you think I'm gonna get slapped, go ahead and say, oh, it's a slap. I mean, cap or slap. Leave a comment. Okay, thank you. Now that you left your comment, I'm gonna go ahead and test this out and see if it's a cap or I'm gonna have to get slapped. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's a cap.